my name is Dan Saravia. I'm going to show you my part of the mini CRAM capstone project. So let's go ahead and get started. So some of the tasks I was responsible for is this one. Like as a mechanical engineer, I want the frame to withstand drops from 1 meter and resist vibration from shocks. So originally I was going to design my own like 3D moving headlight, but I opted to buy one because of time constraints, and also I'm not a mechanical engineer. Can't learn SolidWorks that quickly. So I just bought that one you see on screen. And for as a network engineer, I want to use standard communication protocols like the ones listed there. So right now, what I'm using is DMX, and then and the way we're using that is with a program called QLite Controller Plus. And instead of explaining it with just my words, it's a lot easier if I explain it through the demo. So we're gonna get started with the demo right here. Let's go. Hello everyone. Let's get started with the demo of what I've done these past 2 weeks. So what we have here is QLite Controller Plus running on my Ubuntu laptop. And with this program, we will be able to control our fixture or the moving headlight, right? So how does this work? First, we connect USB Type-C to, we connect it from my laptop, USB Type-C, to this guy right here, which is an open DMX USB converter, right? So it takes the digital signals from my laptop, converts them into analog DMX signals, and then it talks to my moving headlight, right? Now, the objective of my side of the project is to get my code to control this guy. So when it comes time to integrate mine and Alonso's code bases, his code can control my code, which controls this guy, right? And the camera will be mounted right here. So let's go how we get this. I'll show you how we get this running. So first you start this, right? And then you load in the universe. The universe is like the set of how many channels we have and what they control. So like this guy has a bunch of features that we're not going to use. Like for example, like dancing, like lights, all that stuff. We're not going to use that. All we care about is channel 1 and channel 3. Channel 1 controls pan. Channel 3 controls tilt, right? But we don't want to use this program. We want to use Python controlling this guy. So then, Alonso's code can easily control this guy. So how do we do that? So QLite Controller Plus has a web interface. The way we start this web interface is we go to our terminal, we go QLite Controller Plus web flag. This starts a web interface at local 9999, right? And this is it right here. So like we could still command, like here in this keypad, we would go 1, make it 50. And when we hit enter, it moves, right? It's reset. So what I did is I copied the HTML from this file. I saw what the buttons do to control it, right? Then I wrote a Python program that uses WebSockets to control this, right? So once we got it running here, right? This Python code connects to local port 999 or whichever it is. Sometimes the IP address changes, so I wrote this code so it could like always be the right one. And once we got that running, we can actually, here, I'll show you, Python 3, then we run DMX control pi. We could actually control our guy with these arrow keys, right? So like, let's go pan all the way, pan all the way, and this controls the values, which controls the turn, right? Now with this setup, we have Python code controlling our turn. Very cool, with very minimal requirements. So when it comes time to integrate, I could just be like, get this, put it on Alonso's code, put this in, and we'll be all set.